Like I said before, for Cedric Mariano, just focus on your art. Asikasuhin mo sa pag-drawing mo. You know, for me, I'm not picking a fight with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, for me, Cedric Mariano, just listen to Kuya Bear. Oh, at least Kuya Bear is a born-again Christian. Oh, he's just like Wawel Romero. He's just like Nicky Miranda. You remember Kuya Bear? Oh, for me, like I said to everyone who were followers of Cedric Mariano, who were Marcos loyalists, do not politicalize against Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Rodelio is a cerebral palsy. Me, I have lots of people I met the cerebral palsy. Oh, when I chat Jardino, Jardino says to me, oh, don't be more stupid with him. Oh, don't accuse Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Do not harass his reputation. Oh, because he's cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy are non-political. Like I said before, they are non-political. Like for example, Lawrence Villawan, Joan Garcia. Oh, they are non-political. Sir Paulo Cuba and Paula Colin Nunez, so they are non-political. Oh, cerebral palsies are non-partisan. They are non-political. Like you, Cedric, the only you focus anyway, you're drawing. It is better for your family and your friends. Oh, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman bash you or accuses you, just do not talk to him. It's simple. Just move on. Or move on from him. Do not attack him. Do not accuse his reputation. For me, Cedric, do not politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Do not slander his name. Oh, for me, like I said, my dad uh, had respond about Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he cursed me up. What is that word? Tagalog word. Kahit putang ina words. Oh, my dad respond. Even my uncle, Antonio Balingit, has also respond. Sino yan? Oh, it's Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's a cerebral palsy. Oh, for me, when Kuya Rodelio Daguman cursed me a bad word, when he apologized to me sincerely, I forgive him. Oh, why I forgive Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Last 2023 and 2024, I forgive Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I say to Kuya Rodelio, oh, don't do that again, Kuya Rodelio. Don't curse me a bad word with the PI words. Oh, and I know what I realize, I forgive him too. For Cedric Mariano, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman made a lots of mistake, if he made a scandal like Jim Paredes, if he apologized to you, or you, Roylan Marlang, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, all of you, just forgive him. Show the forgiveness of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Because I know all of you are Catholic eh. There is a Catholic can learn how to forgive when a person who made a mistake. Learn how to forgive. Oh, like in Islam. Oh, in Islam, if someone who's the person who made a mistake, they learn how to forgive. Even in Judaism, in Jewish, some people who made lots of mistake, they learn how to forgive your mistake when the person who made a mistake. As a Judaism, or as I'm a Jewish, I learn how to forgive. Like remember, do not judge Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I learned that from Kuya Bear. I know he's a born-again Christian, Kuya Bear. He's just like Wawel Romero. He's just like Nicky Miranda. Show up forgiveness to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Patawarin mo na si Kuya Rodelio. Like, do not, do not bash him. For me, being as a good person, we are autism. Like I say to Cedric Mariano, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, Roylan Marlang, and even all of us, even Kawali Cronel or Kawal ng Inclusion, we are autism. We should learn how to love our former enemies. Love is not a hatred. Like I said, for me, I don't want to bash Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I know I learned how to forgive him because it's our heart to learn how to forgive him. Just like I said, if I, for example, like Kuya Rodelio Daguman, if he's a anti-Marcos, if he's a pro Rodrigo Duterte, if he's a pro Sara Duterte, this Rodelio Daguman or Kuya Rodelio, he has his own opinion. He has own opinion. Respect his own opinion. That if he's an anti-Marcos, then respect his own opinion. Opinion is opinion. It's not resilient. It's really resilient when you bully him in online, when you bully him in social media, making a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he doesn't know what he's doing. It's not really good. The better is to yourself is to learn how to respect to anybody. Like I said, everybody. For me, I never want to make fake account of Luis Cabales. Just like what happened, I was told by Christian Mengito, I have to stop making fake account of Luis Cabales. But I apologize Luis Cabales sincerely. When I talked to Christian Mengito, when he sent me a message in Messenger, wag mo ako guluhin. Luis Cabales said. And then Luis Cabales had forgiven me. I forgive Luis Cabales. When Luis Cabales says to me, I forgive you. Don't do that again. Wag mo uulitin yan. Just like what he said to me. I know Luis Cabales forgives me too. I know he forgives me for what I made a mistake, what I made the consequence that what I made to him. He forgives me. But like all of like for me, what I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Vincent, he forgives me too that I will never make fake account on Facebook. I sincerely I apologize to him, even Teacher Gio, even who else aside of Teacher Gio? The person Teacher Gio Malana forgives me too. And I know I don't want to be happen in the same thing that I said. I do not want to make fake accounts. But for all of you, but for both of you, for Kuya Dan Mardayo, for all of you who were followers of Cedric Mariano, who were Marcos loyalists, please, all of you, don't bash Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Show mercy to that cerebral palsy. We have lots of people who are cerebral palsy. You see Atelot, named Paul. He has cerebral palsy. He didn't go to therapy. Like you, Kuya Dan Mardayaw. I know you're a Marcos loyalist wannabe. You want to be to defend Cedric Mariano, to ruin his reputation. and talk about politics. Oh, you're the one always politicalized against Kuya Rodelio Daguman and Cedric Mariano. Oh, it's not really good. You didn't go in therapy when you were a kid. Oh, me, I was in therapy when I was the time I was the kid. Then I went there in the therapy. Or I went there in the Gulf Caloocan. You know, it is not really good to bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Respect him. Because he's busy for his work of his he's a virtual artist. I know he's busy in work in Muntinlupa City Hall. Just let him be. Do not politicalize against Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Oh, like you, we are all special. We are all autism. We are autism spectrum disorder. We're all of us, we're autism. Especially Ekong Gonzaga and also Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. Please, all of you, stop this politicalize. Tigilan mo na mga pambumulitika kay Kuya Rodelio Daguman. It's really nonsense. Do not politicalize. Look at, like I said, look at Lawrence Villawan and my nephew Miggy Labitag. They are non-partisan. They are non-partisan, non-political. Why Lawrence Villawan and my nephew Miggy Labitag are non-political? They are non-political. At least, Nanay Net and Ate Isa, we talk about politics. But Lawrence Villawan and also Miggy Labitag, both of them, they are not related to politics. That means they are non-partisan, non-political. That's the word. Like I said before, like Cedric Mariano, he's non-partisan. He is neutral. He doesn't want to bash Kuya Rodelio Daguman anyway. You're the one who using a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Danmar. Have a shame to yourself. Maya ka naman, like I said, like you, your family should never disgrace Kuya Rodelio Daguman. At least Cedric has understand with Jared Dino and Jerick Silva. Because I know Cedric Mariano, he doesn't like politics. At least he's just like Nanay Ningning, he doesn't like politics. When Cedric Mariano he never sided to Bongbong Marcos, he sided with Sara Duterte, he sided with Rodrigo Duterte. Well, Cedric Mariano is neutral. He always to be neutral, like Kuya Ver. Like you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, do not politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. At least you do not understand. Even your Marcos loyalist bloggers who were not understanding, like such as Romeo TV Vlog, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Jam Magno. All of you don't understand about Kuya Rodelio Daguman situation. Enough about politics. For Sangkay Janjan, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga, and Jam Magno, even Thinking Pinoy, please, all of you, huwag kayo puro tungkol yan kay Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, it's really nonsense. If I say before, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman is an anti-Marcos, if he's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, if he's a pro-Sara Duterte, please let him be, all of you. Let him be. Bayaan mo na lang siya, like I said. Just let him be. Oh. Look at Cedric Mariano. He learns how to move on from Kuya Rodelio Daguman. The key of the tool is to let him be. Oh, that's simple. Hayaan mo na siya. That's why. Have you never heard about what I was told by Jude Goles about ex-battalion? Hayaan mo na sila. Oh. That's a word. That means, hayaan mo na siya. That's a word. For me, just let Kuya Rodelio Daguman be. Let him be. Just leave him alone. And I say before, to Kuya Dan Mardayaw, stop politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. That will be a trigger of the nonsensical in social media. That will be a trigger. You know, Hans Inclusion Philippines, like Roylan Marlang, are non-political. Oh, why they're non-political? Because I know Roylan Marlang is retired of political. Oh, just like that, he's retired. Oh, maybe I'm not retired to political. I'm 28 years old. How old was Roylan Marlang? Oh, 1994. Is older than Bay Timbal. Oh, I know Roylan is 32 years old. Oh, yes, he's 32. He's older than Andeng. Oh, I know Roylan Marlang, he doesn't want politics. Hans Inclusion Philippines of Roylan Marlang and Kawal ng Inclusion of Kawali Coronel are non-political. They are non-political, non-partisan. Oh. Like I say to all of you, oh, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, mo kasi awayin si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Just let him be. If I know Ronald Manlapao and Kuya Rodelio Daguman, if they are reconcile each other, they are not fighting against each other. Or just stop with this nonsense. Wag kayo away-away like what's so I remember. It's always to make fighting. It's always to be debating. You know, I hate too much debating. I say to Roylan Marlang. Not Roylan Marlang. Kuya Dan Mardayaw, sorry. Kuya Danmar. Oh, listen to Roylan Marlang. Kuya Danmar. Oh, makinig ka na lang kay Roylan. Like he said before, Roylan says, wag mo politikalihin si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. It's not really good. Just do not politicalize the person who is not doing anything to you. Oh, like I say to you, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, you will be happen just like Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you will be happen just like Gina Sedjo and Jeffrey Asedjo. And I'm telling you, I say to Kuya Dan Mardayaw, I know you're the one who posts about the news, about the current events, about politics, about sports, about cemetery in the graveyard. Do not talk about politics to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Rodelio is a cerebral palsy. Oh, we have to respect him. Like me, I remember the time. Just like I tell to J-Rick Silva, I apologize to Paula Colin Nunez that I call her, what is that? You can't even brush your teeth. Um, you are very stupid. And I know, when I talk to Jerick Silva, I say to him, humingi na ako ng pasensya kay Paula. Hindi na mauulit yan. At least Jerick Silva my understand what I did to Paula Nunez. This is my fault. Like you, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, do not politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. It's better to yourself. Just leave him alone. If he's an anti-Marcos, if he's a pro Rodrigo Duterte, if he's a pro Sara Duterte, just leave him alone. Do not politicalize the cerebral palsies.